Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on how to make this, but when I put this blue on the black screen for the icon for the video, I didn't really like it. So this will just give you another option. It kind of, still shows the darkness that it's going to, but it's got like a little halo around it. And I don't know anything about printing, but I would hope it would work. Now, we are working in the center of the page. And if you remember, this is an 18-inch circle. So we're going to make another, let me just delete this one because it takes up so much memory. I'm going to make this ellipse. This was 18. I'm going to make this one 18.5. And then I'm going to Control D and make the next one smaller. It doesn't really matter how small. You just want to stay inside this area. Now we're going to take our Smart Fill tool and fill that in with a light gray. And now I'm going to move it over and hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to have to go back a page a couple of times. I'm going to go object order back a page, but then it put behind the black. So now I'm going to grab the black, go object order back a page, and now you can see that. It might not look too bad, but let's make it a little glowy. So I'm going to grab that, and if you can see right down here, I've got it selected. I'm going to go to object blur, and I'm going to Gaussian blur it quite a bit. Matter of fact, I think I've got it set on all the way to the max. Takes just a second. Let it do it and then say okay. And now you're going to get that look. Total different look. And see, my old laptop has trouble keeping up. Whenever you do a blur or a bunch of different things, so if we zoom in, I mean, it's kind of like got like a glow behind it. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.